Welcome to Independence Square, where low-maintenance living meets the walkable charm of Courthouse Village in Spotsylvania. Here, your day unfolds just steps from home. Take a 5-minute walk to Courthouse Village and grab breakfast at Biscuit Batch, enjoy a pastry from Matave New York Grill and Bakery, meet friends at El Gran Patron, or stop by the Cider Lab for a tasting. Anytime Fitness, farmers markets, seasonal festivals, and neighborhood events are all part of the everyday lifestyle. Living at Independence Square means you're connected to everything. Route 1 and I-95 are just 10 minutes away, making commuting easy. You're 15 minutes from the Spotsylvania VRE Station for stress-free travel, and only minutes from the region's most convenient shopping destinations: Publix, Target, Kohl's, PetSmart, Starbucks, Panera Bread, First Watch, and more at Cosner's Corner and South Point. And when the weekend arrives, your time is truly your own. Exterior maintenance is fully included. Lawn care, mulching, seasonal cleanups, lawn treatments, trash and recycling, and even snow removal. Less work, more living. Beyond the unbelievable location, Independence Square offers beautifully designed 2-car garage townhomes built with today's modern lifestyle in mind. Inside, you'll find gourmet kitchens with sleek quartz countertops, flexible living spaces, integrated smart home technology, and thoughtful finishes throughout, bringing style, function, and comfort together in every room. When you want to explore beyond the neighborhood, you're just 20 minutes from Central Park and Spotsylvania Town Center with Wegmans, Costco, and top shopping and dining. Catch a Fredericksburg Nationals game or spend an afternoon wandering the historic streets and riverfront of downtown Fredericksburg. Independence Square offers walkability, convenience, and modern home design all in one perfectly connected community. So whether you're dreaming of your first home, a fresh start, or a community that feels like home the minute you arrive, Independence Square has a place for you. Schedule your private appointment to visit our model homes and meet with our sales representative. We can't wait to welcome you home to Independence Square.